Hello, this is George Senda, the real, official, authentic, original, the one, the only, the official, the guy from Pittsburgh. And I'm sorry about the last video. I didn't realize the fan was on. It made an awful lot of noise. Well, this is Burgh unboxing. So let's take this out. I just got this. And there's another one coming. And it's a very large box. So we will open this up. This is the 42 LED mini video light, or mini LED video light by Newer. Newer makes great products, and I figure out how to open the box up. Oh, they've taped it shut, as usual. My nemesis, the evil Scotch tape. Okay, hold on. Very hot here. I will not be doing a live video because it's too hot to do a live video. Okay, they give you a little instruction book. Actually, an instruction piece of paper. There's their piece of paper. The charging cable. I'm running out of ports. And mini USB and USB. And oh, they do have an instruction manual. Wait a minute. Here it is. Here's the back of the box. And the usual Chinese in the back. Here's one side. Here's the other. And there's the box. Put that aside. And we'll tape it out. Take it out of the plastic. Not tape. I'm going to do some cleaning in here today. There's tons of plastic bags for all the shopping I've been doing. Okay. I think on the first of the month I'm going to spend the money to go get a haircut. Okay, here's the light. Boy, is that bright. Wow. So now it's brighter than the ring light I've got. That is super bright. That's on high. That's low. But this will fit. Oh my God, that is so much brighter than the other light. Well, good for when I do videos at night. Once I get an iographer for the iPad, or iographer. Shut this off. Alright, and it has a hot shoe or a tripod mount, so I'm going to mount this to the thingy under the Logitech camera. Doesn't seem to want to go on there. Let's see. No, it won't go on there. That's weird. I guess it's designed for camera only. Well, that's just disturbing. I think this would... Okay, let's try it this way. There it goes. Alright, now I got it to work. After a fashion. Okay. There. Now you can see the light, and let's see. There's a difference. That's on medium or on high. That's on high. That's on low. Well, it's a lot brighter than the ring light, but I can carry it with me now, or if I do get the cable next month for the camera, I can take the camera outside. Alright, let's shut that off. And there we go. Okay, this is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh, with another episode of Burgh unboxing. That'll make a big difference. I think I'll have to turn that slightly sideways so it's not right in my face. Let me see if I can, if I do that, what happens. Yeah, that's much better. It's not, it provides light, but it's not blinding the hell out of me. Okay, but it's good. Have a great day. Stay cool. It's 83 here and roasting in my apartment. This is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. Bye-bye for now.